stock traders? I hope all of you had a fantastic trading day. As we continue into this correction, we had a little bit of a bounce on some of the major indices, but my particular portfolio did not do well. My portfolio tends to move more with the Russell than it does the SPY and the triple Qs. Anyway, so today I had a small loss, and month to date, currently I am at a 1.94% loss. Year to date, I am at a 170.56% gain. You can have triple digit gains if you have a solid strategy and you have the discipline to follow it. In today's video, I am going to give you 3 stocks that have had significant insider purchases from yesterday. And so this is a new series. I've been doing this here every single day. But before we get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when one of these videos comes out. Now, if you are wanting to follow this insider swing play and you are wanting to get these picks sooner, then I highly recommend in the description down below clicking on that Patreon link. For $27 for the basic membership, you can easily follow these and see what I'm doing as far as the insider swing play and learn the strategy. There's other picks in there, but I hope to see you there. I am not a financial advisor. I do not want to be responsible for your trades. Do your own due diligence, please. But these are stocks, and this is a strategy that I've had a lot of success with, and I look forward to a future success. Okay, all that out of the way, let's get into the numbers and the 3 stocks that I think can really, really move. Here we go. All right, so the first stock I'm going to talk about, and number 3 on my list, is CIM Commercial Trust, ticker symbol CMCT. My personal target for this in the short term is $9.50, and there's been some massive loading going on in this. And I've ignored this one because I am not a fan of trusts. I have found that they don't really move, but this one seems to be different because of the massive amount of insider activity by multiple officers. It is time to pay attention. This is nowhere near overheated anymore. It has had a little bit of a pullback here. And so that is one thing I was looking at also, is that it was really high on the RSI, but we've had this wonderful MACD golden cross, and it has been really surging ever since. The reason I come up with that $9.50 range has to do with this level of resistance right here. You can see where we've touched that and been rejected from that multiple times. And so it's very important that this stock get above that level. Anyway, the insider activity has been so strong that I think it can. 3 different officers are loading every couple of days, and they're buying as much as they can. And so that is very bullish for me. I believe the stock is going to go way up in the future. All right, let's get to number 2. All right, number 2 has been number 2 for 3 days in a row. But number 2 is Sensient Tech. And again, Fremont Capital bought shares and aftermarket reported on Tuesday. And so this has been very, very bullish as we've been going through. Fremont Capital continues to load every day. My target for this in the short term is $100 a share. And I think you can easily get to that with this constant support that's happening. We need the market to cooperate here a little bit going forward, but I think that this one is going to continue to do well. And this is a good, safe stock for you to have in your portfolio. All right, let's go to number 1. Number 1 on my list. Number 1 on my list is one I've had and covered before, but this one has now had something very, very special happen to it. So this is Asana, ticker symbol ASAN. My price target for this in the short term is $125 a share. Dustin Moskowitz is buying this dip, and he continues to buy, and this has been very, very intense every time that he's gone in. This time it was $49 million in open market. That is very strong conviction in my opinion. He has been buying all the way down here, all the way up. The constant buying kind of going through. I've had it, sold it when it got here, way overbought, and then waited. More insider activity happened again here, bought it again, sold when it was way overbought again. It did go all the way up to 125, missed a little bit of that move, but I'm okay with that. Now it's come back down, and now this big purchase. So I'm imagining And I think that what's going to happen is this will continue upwards again, and we should see this hit well above 125. I hope all of you are enjoying this list. Please reach out to me in the comments section down below. I wish you all the best in the stock markets. The whole reason why I do this, I want to see you have triple-digit gains. Anyway, let's have a fantastic week, and Raythoven out.